rectify.
ES, hindi po hair follicle test ito, ES Yun lang pong kasi si General Torre po ay na-appoint as PNP chief. How about yun pong courtesy resignation ng iba pang mga involved dun sa illegal arrest di umano ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Yung resignation po ni na DILG Secretary, DOJ Secretary Remullaz, are we expecting na sa mga susunod na araw ay meron na rin pong resulta?
I do not like your qualification of the arrest as illegal. No? That is an opinionated statement made by somebody. I will not name who she is. But from our point of view, the arrest was perfectly legal according to according to international law. We have debated that in the public domain for a long time. But no one can tell me now that that was an illegal operation, procedure, or you know, when these representatives of the executive were invited to the Senate investigation called by the Committee on Foreign Affairs, I immediately transmitted a letter telling the Senate President and the Chairman of that committee that we are going to claim executive privilege for all the parts that are covered by executive privilege. They respected it, and if they concluded from there that the arrest was illegal, I cannot help them at all.
That was the last question.
Yeah, but
Thank
the
you very
question
much.
po is yung assessment po yung sa performance nila ng Pangulo. Kailan po natin na inaasahang babanggitin kung tinanggap ba ng Pangulo yung resignation po nila or hindi?
Sino sila?
Si Secretary Boying Remullaz and Secretary
declined yung resignation niyan. Sino pa?
si Secretary John Dick Remullaz.
Declined din.
How about the Secretary Anyo?
I do not know yet because that is a personal thing for the President, you know, security advisor yan. And actually that resignation letter was not coursed through me because it's a personal well, they have a personal thing dyan. Kung ayaw ni Presidente tanggapin, it's up to him.
How about Secretary Gubo Teodoro po?
Hindi rin. Gusto mo bang lamunin tayo, no?
So yung po tatlo, dinicline na po ng Pangulo?
Yeah, definitely declined there.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Executive